Okay, we're gonna give you an overview how to create a plastic barrier for your van. So you need to have at least a considerable thick plastic, and then what we have done here is just to give you an overview about this is to screw the plastic and then screw also some clip like that, so you would be able to clip this wood into the aircon area, so it would be much more stronger and it would not drop, because this one it's quite hard to stick a glue or a paper, so this one is good for you to protect your driver and also passenger. So hopefully you like it, so you can just put the tape in the corner and it would really stick it. So at the bottom, it's like a simple way, and in this corner just cut a little bit here, and then from here you can also put the clear plastic tape so it would stick on a corner. Okay, hopefully you like this, just to give you some simple way to achieve this. Just get the wood like this and screw the plastic. After that it will be more better than any other plastic barrier for your van.